Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are in beautiful San Nicola Arcella today looking at this amazing apartment, and I'm going to give you a little tour of San Nicola on a separate video because it's such a beautiful place. Now this apartment is up the street a little bit. It's on this really quiet, gorgeous street with a lot of beautiful houses and a lot of trees and things. San Nicola has a lot of trees, which I love. And you're only a couple hundred meters from the downtown area, so you can easily walk to the bars and restaurants, but you feel like you're a million miles away. Check it out. Now, to get to the apartment, we're going to go down this driveway, but you can't arrive with the machina, with the car down there, and just drive right up to where your apartment is. So the access is very, very nice. And I can see from here, you have a beautiful view of the historic center as well. Okay, we came up some stairs here, these really pretty stairs. So there are some stairs to get here. And look, out that way is the bay and the sea. These are the mountains. And behind you, you have the stunning mountains. And this is a really nice terrace here. It's quite large. Okay, we're going in. Oh, this is nice and big. You know what I love? Big hallways. Really big hallways. The tile looks to be in very nice shape. It's very good tile too. And look, central heating. Okay. Wow, this place is huge. That's a whole another section here where you have the bedrooms. So you got a little hallway, bedrooms, a nice bathroom. It's big. You could swap out these fixtures, and the tile looks to be in good shape if you like the tile. And you have a bathtub. Not a lot of places in Italy have a bathtub, and this has obviously been redone recently. If you don't like the trim tiles, you could swap those out so easily. But look, very nicely done. From here you have a view out to the mountains. Here's a good-sized bedroom. This one, if you put the bed on that wall, you could fit a matrimonial bed in here. It's not a huge bedroom, but it's certainly big enough. They have a single bed. You could fit 2 singles in here too if you wanted to. Again, central heating. This looks out onto the balcony terrace thing outside. You can see there's some nice houses in this area. Wow, this bedroom is massive. I mean, look, it's got a matrimonial bed in here, and it's still so huge. So yeah, this is really a nice apartment, super spacious. Let's see what's out this window. I always like looking out the windows. Oh, more houses and things like that. Over there, you've got the mountains. San Nicola is so beautiful. It's very agricultural, a lot of trees, a lot of shade, just really, really nice.
Di Giannino, ma c'è un bagno o una stanzetta che sono chiusi?
Ooh, so you've got a door going out to another balcony out there. It's very interesting. They have a little sort of fireplace area with benches, which is nice if you like it. And this area is raised. I'm not sure why it's raised. You may be able to take it down if you don't like, the raised part. Here, they have a sofa bed, but, I would make this a sofa area because you've got the TV over there. Oh yeah, cute. That's actually a good sized kitchen. You could do a galley kitchen in here. What a lot of people do in Italy is they do the kitchen with the, all the things that you really need. I like a dishwasher, so they do the dishwasher, the stove, and all the other things you need. And then they'll have a good sized china cabinet out here, like a real pretty one. And they'll put all their china. I have one, and I can fit so much stuff in that. So all I need in the kitchen is pots and pans because all the china and everything is out in the china cabinet. This is kind of an unusual design, but it's very cool. Okay, I always say the best for last. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so there's not really a sea view unless you kind of crane your neck. Yeah, the sea is right over there. I mean, you would have to be a little bit higher up to see the sea, but there's your view of the historic center of San Nicola right there. And look at these gorgeous mountains. You know what? I don't think I would miss the sea view at all if I was here, because out here you've got just such a gorgeous view. And you feel kind of far away from everything. Even though the historic center, you can see the church is just right there. It looks far away, but it's actually quite close. And the historic center starts like right over here, so I think you would be really pretty close to it. This is quite an amazing apartment, guys. I think if you're looking for a place that's really accessible and close to downtown in a beautiful, highly desirable area, this might be for you.